Decorating Easter eggs can be a lot of fun and it can be very messy. So we are trying out a brand new product to me to see if it works. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. We are talking about Easter egg decorating. So I love to dye Easter eggs, however, the mess I'm not a big fan of. So today we are going to try out something and see if it works. Plus I have a giveaway sponsored by EggMazing as well. But first, make sure to click subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love to have you part of the Purple Alphabet family, where we talk about educational ideas for kids and ideas and inspirations to learn through play. And then today we're talking about Easter eggs. We're going to be trying out EggMazing, the egg decorating kit, to see if it works, to see if it's less messy than dyeing eggs. And I'm super excited to try it. I was fortunate enough to have EggMazing send me a kit to try out, so let's give it a go and see what we think. This EggMazing Decorator kit is for ages 3 and up. It comes with an EggMazing Decorator, 8 colorful non-toxic markers, which is pretty cool. And then this is for use with grade A large or extra large eggs. And of course, those aren't included in the box, but you can get those from your grocery store. And right now they usually are very, very affordable. I just had to add in 4 AA batteries that weren't included. And right on the box, it tells me that there's a spinning action that creates colorful eggs. So I'm very excited to decorate our eggs very quickly and mess-free. The first step is to place the hard-boiled egg onto the decorator. It told me to choose a grade A large or extra large egg to fit in the opening. Then you have to turn it on by the little switch on the side. Step 3 was to place the tip of the marker to the spinning egg and then decorate. Right inside the egg decorator kit, it shows you where to place your marker to get started. And it's that simple. All you do is take your marker and gently place it against the egg to make your color appear on the egg. This was so much fun and so fast and so easy. You could pick multiple colors, you could do stripes, you could do all one color, choose your own patterns. The possibilities are so much fun. It was kind of cool to see it just appear right before your eyes, and before you knew it, you would have a finished decorated egg. You just switch off the EggMazing and pull out your egg, and there you have it, all done, so fast, so easy. I have to admit, this can become very addicting, so you might want to get some extra eggs to hard boil to do this, because you're going to want to keep on going. It was that cool. My girls really enjoyed coming up with different colored combinations using all the markers that came with the kit, or they like to make it all one color. Here's a little bit of a sample of the ones that we finished. As you can see, there are a lot of different varieties, plus a lot of options to making them all solid in one color. They all turned out beautiful, and we really do like these. I definitely think this is a win in our book. Very impressed with this. Pretty impressed with this little machine, and I want to give you an opportunity to win one for yourself. So if you would like to win one of these kits to decorate your egg, you're going to need to leave me a comment down below telling me how many eggs you usually decorate for Easter. We usually do about 2 dozen. That's a lot of eggs. Then head over to the giveaway link, which is in the description box, to enter to win. You must be 18 years of age or older and have a US postal address. I'll be announcing the winner very, very soon. And don't forget, if you want some extra entries, bonus entries, will you? Make sure to check out my social media, because I always put some extra bonus entry opportunities in those spaces, especially Facebook, especially Instagram. So be on the lookout. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.